Salut tout le monde. I hope everybody is at home and everybody is safe. If you followed the previous video, we talked about how to greet in French and we covered the very basics, and today we're going to continue. We are going to go a little further, so it would really help you if you go check that video out, because what we did in that video is a little linked to this one. So if you're interested, please do continue watching. So let's first start with an informal situation, like for example, when you're talking to a friend. So when you meet them, the first thing that you're going to say is hi. So the word for hi is salut. Okay, and then you're going to ask them, how are you, how is it going. So for that, it's comment ça va, comment ça va, comment ça va, and the friend will answer saying ça va bien, I'm good, or else ça va mal, I'm not okay, or I'm bad. And if you're neither feeling good or bad, you can say ça va comme ci comme ça, ça va comme ci comme ça. So let's start again. So the conversation will start with you saying hi, so that is salut, comment ça va. So the friend will respond saying ça va bien, ça va mal, or ça va comme ci comme ça. So the literal translation for comme ci comme ça is so, as in it's in the middle, like you're not feeling great or you're not feeling that bad, so you can use ça va comme ci comme ça. Okay, and then after your friend finishes saying oui ça va bien, and then the friend will ask you et toi, that is and you, and then you will answer saying you can choose any three options again, and then you can say merci, thank you for asking. So there are a lot of variations. Another way that you can greet your friend and in an informal situation again is comment vas-tu, comment vas-tu. The same thing, it means how are you. The literal translation is how is it going, but it basically means how are you. So comment vas-tu, comment vas-tu, and the answer the person can answer saying je vais bien, je vais mal, je vais comme ci comme ça. So again, only the starting of the sentence will change. You will say je vais, but the remaining three options remain the same. Okay, so comment vas-tu, je vais bien, merci, et toi, and then the person can say oui je vais bien, merci beaucoup. Okay, so this is the second variation, and third one, very easy, is people generally just tend to ask ça va, like ça va, are you okay, how are you, ça va, and you can just answer saying oui ça va or ça va bien. You can choose the other three options as well, but even just choosing ça va as a question and the answer also works. Okay, so we have three variations for when you're talking to a friend. So it was an informal situation when you're talking to a friend, and now moving on to something a little more formal. So all these sentences and these expressions, you can use them when you're talking to someone who is respectable, or you're talking to a lot of people at one time, or when you're meeting someone for the first time, then you can use the following options. Okay, so here obviously you won't say salut or hi to someone who is respectable or someone who you meet for the first time. So here you're going to use bonjour. Okay, bonjour, bonjour. And then to ask how are you, you can ask basically comment allez-vous. Okay, comment allez-vous, comment allez-vous. Then the person can answer using the same three options again, je vais bien, merci, or je vais mal, or je vais comme ci comme ça. And after the person finishes saying je vais bien, mal, or however they are feeling, they will ask you, and for this they will use et vous, that is what about you. But if it's important to mark here that over in the first part, in the informal situation, we used et toi, because toi was a little informal. But now, since you're talking to someone who's more respectable, or you're talking to someone that you don't know, you use vous. Okay, so the person will ask me or you saying et vous, and what about you, and then you can use the same thing, same three options, and you can also say oui, je vais bien, or je vais mal, or je vais comme si, comme ça. You can use any three options, and then at the end you can say merci beaucoup, that is thank you for asking. There's one thing to note here. In the informal situation, we used como va-tu, and here when talking to someone who's respectable or when meeting someone for the first time, we changed it to comment allez-vous. So tu is a little informal, and that is why it is used only with friends, and vous is formal. It's equivalent to aap. So vous kind of means aap in French, and it's basically to give respect. Okay, so this was a basic thing that you should note, that when talking to your friends, you can only use tu, and when you're talking to someone who is more respectable or someone you meet for the first time, you use vous. Let's do a small recap. While talking to your friends, the first thing that you can use is salut, comment ça va, and you can answer saying ça va bien, ça va mal, or ça va comme si, comme ça. And then your friend will ask you, what about you, how are you doing? So for that, your friend will use et toi, and you et toi, and then you can answer using any of these options again. And the second one is comment vas-tu, comment vas-tu, and here you will answer saying je vais bien, je vais mal, or je vais comme si, comme ça. And the third one is, you can simply say use ça va as a question and as the answer, ça va, and you can answer saying oui, ça va bien, merci beaucoup, thank you for asking. And then moving on to the formal situation, you're going to use comment allez-vous, bonjour, comment allez-vous, how are you doing, comment allez-vous. Here we use vous and not tu. So, and we use bonjour instead of salut. So bonjour, comment allez-vous, and then you can answer saying oui, je vais bien, je vais mal, je vais comme si, comme ça. And then when the person asks you how you are doing, the person will say et vous, that is what about you. And then again you can answer using any of these three options, and then you can end saying merci beaucoup, thank you for asking. This I finish this topic of how to greet in French, and if you really like this video, please do continue watching, because I will be making more videos related to French grammar and French vocabulary, and for many more such interesting events and programs, you should check out the WeSkill Technology accounts, and on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Please follow and subscribe to them, and thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and see you soon.